Email marketing automation tools. Are you struggling to find the perfect email marketing service provider for your business? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to choose the best email marketing tool for your goals. Let's get started. Email marketing is still the most effective way to communicate with your audience, drive sales, and grow your business. With an email list, you can directly connect with your audience, sell your products or services, promote content, offers, and more. The foundation of all this is choosing the right email service provider or ESP. An email service provider helps you manage your email list, create campaigns, and analyze results. But not all ESPs are created equal, which is why choosing the right one is so important. Comparing the top 4 email marketing providers. First up is Mailchimp, one of the most beginner-friendly ESPs. It's free for up to 2,000 subscribers, making it a great option if you're just starting out. But as you grow, the costs can add up. Next is AWeber, which offers more advanced features like automated incentive delivery. It's a great option for growing businesses, but its pricing starts at $19/month. For larger businesses ready to scale, Infusionsoft is the powerhouse. It's a full CRM tool with advanced tagging and automation features. But beware, it's expensive and has a steep learning curve. Finally, my personal favorite, ConvertKit. Perfect for bloggers and small businesses, it offers powerful automation tools and is super easy to use. It's all about functionality over flashy design. How to choose the best ESP for your needs. When selecting your ESP, ask yourself, what's your budget? How big is your subscriber list, and how fast will it grow? Do you need advanced features like automation and tagging? How user-friendly does the platform need to be? For beginners, Mailchimp is great. For bloggers and small businesses, ConvertKit is the winner. Growing businesses might prefer AWeber, and advanced users should consider Infusionsoft. Here are some quick FAQs. What's the best ESP for beginners? Mailchimp is free and user-friendly. Does ConvertKit offer a free plan? No, but it has a free trial and affordable pricing. Which ESP has the best automation tools? ConvertKit wins here with its simple, powerful automation features.
For details, visit the website mentions below in description.